Welcome back to the channel. So in this one we're going to take a look at the 3D printed OEM wing mirrors for Tamiya's Peugeot 306. First of all, we're going to take a look and compare them to the original ones that came with the Maxi. Obviously these represent the same that were on the actual rally car. But if you're going for more of a straight build or replicating your own car, I've made some OEM ones. So what's in the kit? You get the two mirrors obviously, and you also get some mirror glass. That's all cut out to shape, ready to put on. With regards to painting them, there is actually a line modelled in, which is the same shape as the OEM mirror cap. But ideally you want to give that a sand, get rid of any layer lines, possibly a little coat of filler primer to get rid of any surface imperfections too. These are 3D printed, not injection moulded, so unfortunately there will be layer lines or imperfections. You can just about see the layer lines on there. My suggestion, get some decent masking tape. The Tamiya stuff's pretty good, gives nice crisp lines. If you just mask off the area around the mirror cap, at least when you're sanding it, you're not going to tarnish any of this. Get it nice and smooth. You could just paint them as they are, but the more prep you put in, the better the overall result's going to be. Then once painted, you should have a nice smooth finish on there. I would suggest giving them a coat of plastic primer, although I have just painted these straight and there's been no problem whatsoever. The ones on here are PS60 sprayed straight onto the mirror, once sanded. When it comes to fitting the mirror glass, as you can see, there may be some surface imperfections on the actual mirror face, and that's purely from where the supports are, to try and keep the visible areas as smooth as possible. So the easiest way I've found to get rid of those is to take a fairly wide flat screwdriver and literally go across the top just to get rid of any lumps and bumps. Get that nice and smooth. Once you've got it nice and smooth and all the little lumps and bumps are gone, just a case of fitting the mirror glass on. As you can see, you've got the left side and the right side. Once you put them on, just go around with a Q-tip, cotton bud, whatever you want to call it, depending on where you are, and just make it nice and smooth. And that's it basically. That's the mirror glass fitted. With regards to fitting them to the car, they mount in exactly the same spot as the Maxi mirrors do, fixing in exactly the same way. So just make sure your hole isn't too tight. Pop your mirror in. Then secure it on the back using the standard O-ring and pin. I'm not going to do this on camera because it's a bit fiddly, but you can see the other side is fitted. Go both on. And there's a set in red. you want to give your Tamiya Peugeot 306 a little scale upgrade. The link will be in the description, along with a link to my eBay store where you'll find many other things, including the wheels, spoilers, light bucket should be up soon as well. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and hopefully you'll like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.